Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Okay, so let's start with the review. We have iSkills Solutions. The CEO of this institute is Ms. Asha Murthy. And this institute offers various medical coding courses, out of which medical coding and billing is there. They have one-on-one mentorship and high quality training with 100% placement assistance. Here are the testimonials they have listed. You can check it out by yourself. If we check the course, iSkill course, they have basic medical coding and advanced medical coding. Let's check advanced medical coding. Okay, the course duration is for 45 days weekdays and 3 months weekends. The mode of training is offline and online both, so this is a plus point. If we talk about the curriculum, okay, they have everything which is aligned with AEPC, but unfortunately they are not covering AI, which is one of the most advanced topic required today. Okay, if we talk about curriculum, they have everything which is aligned with AEPC, like HIPICS, ICD 10, CPT 4. These are the major topics to be covered in any medical coding institute. But unfortunately, they are not covering AI, which is one of the most advanced topic required to be a medical coder. So this is a disadvantage. And also, I can't see they have listed any course fee, and nothing is mentioned about the certification preparation is there. They have not listed the course fees. Also, they have not listed anything about the books and the tools. Okay, overall, the course is, let's check the basic medical coding. Yeah, it is similar. 30 days, the course duration is for 30 days, weekdays, and 3 months and weekends. Okay, overall, the course is good, which is overall, the course is good. It will make you prepare for APC and CPC exam, but they have not listed the course fees, and also they are not covering AI. So this is a disadvantage. Okay, now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, I would rate it 1. Updated and comprehensive curriculum. Yes, they have updated curriculum, but they are not covering AI. So I would deduct 0.3 marks. So 0.7. Qualified and experienced instructors, I would rate this 0.8. Practical training and case studies, I would rate this 0.9. Certification exam preparation support, okay, they have, so 1. Internship and job placement assistance, they are giving, so 1. Access to updated coding books and software, they have not listed anything about the books and software, so I would rate it 0. Flexible learning options, yes, online and offline both they have, so I would rate this 1. Student reviews and success rates, you can check it out by yourself, they have, so it's a 1. Course fees, duration and payment option, they have not listed course fees. Duration is there and payment option is also not there. So I would rate this 0.7. Okay, so the overall ranking is 7.4. I think you may consider this course as they have updated curriculum. The only thing is missing is AI, but that is also the advanced topic to be covered. Overall, the course is good, but I have already mentioned one of the best medical coding institute which covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. You should definitely check it out. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching.